we are Chef MVP. Today we will be making Mongolian beef tacos with two sides, and the sides are peas and corn and white rice.
We're using 1 pound of flank steak, a tablespoon of ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, 4 stalks of green onions, half a cup brown sugar, half a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of soy sauce, and a little bit of olive oil. Now we're going to cut our flank steak in thin pieces like so.
Now we'll start making our white rice. We will have 4 cups of water and 2 cups of rice.
Pinch of salt, some olive oil, bring it to a boil, and keep stirring it. Bring water to a boil with the rice, reduce the heat to medium, let simmer. I'm going to place a cup and a half of corn, a cup and a half of peas in a pot with a half a cup of water, and let cook on medium-high.
Add a pinch of salt and olive oil. Heat olive oil in a pan and add ginger and garlic. Put brown sugar, soy sauce, and water and let it simmer until it thickens. Cook plain steak with cornstarch. Now prepare a flank steak with another pan and olive oil.
Add a little bit at a time, don't cook it thoroughly. Medium cook it, and we'll remove it from the heat. Now that our meat is golden brown, we're going to bring it back to the soy sauce. And add our green onions.
Now complete cooking the flank steak. Now that the sauce is thickened, we will start making our tacos. Now we'll start building our taco. Any way you like it, but we'll use white rice, corn, peas, sour cream, and our flank steak. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Enjoy!